Quick, I know I popped it on the spec like a premature baby. Shake a hand, meet a friend. Busy. You see your shoes right here that's winking at me, looking at you?
Yeah.
Look, this is what I've been showing everybody. It's called Pink Miracle. You look like a field goal kicker. Go like this. You know football season just started, right?
I do, yeah.
So before you give me the golden boot, you're going to spray the spray. You go back and forth like a lead. Now don't laugh too hard because they're going to see this chocolate kid on one knee like Kaepernick, okay? This is my little sister toothbrush. Look, you just go back and forth like a bad argument. This takes the rubbing out of scrub and leave more time for family loving. They said this reminds them of Nicolas Cage. You know why?
Why?
It's gone in 60 seconds. Look at this. Would you say that's whiter than a Colgate smile?
Yeah, that actually.
Ray Charles saw that work through Stevie Wonder glasses. Did you see?
I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit phase me.
Welcome back to my channel. Real quick review. So some time ago I was searching social media, you know how we do, and I came across this video with this young man who's selling the product, and he sold it so good that I really watched the videos for him and the comedy part of it. And I've seen so many. He's done a lot of videos. I think his name is Kenneth Brooks or something like that. Maybe I can put a picture over here or something of old boy. But in any case, though, he sold it so well that eventually it hit me like, you know what? I should try the product, right? I'm into the, well, let's talk about it. It's called the Original Shoe Cleaner Pink Miracle. Pink Miracle, the original shoe cleaner, right? So, like I said, he sold the product so good. I'm getting sneakers right now, as you may or may not know, depending on how much you follow the channel. And I'm at a point now where I need some stuff to clean my sneakers because, unlike a lot of collectors, I actually wear my shoes. I think I only have one pair that I have not worn yet. Looking around. Yeah, all these other ones I've at least worn at least once. Most of them I worn multiple times. But we're going to give us a try out the Miracle Cleaner. Stick with me. Alright, so we took the top off the package, open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Have a brush. Not bad, right? We have the actual Miracle Cleaner. Let's see. I ain't got my glasses on. Thoroughly wet scrub brush, then apply a small amount of Pink Miracle to brush. Scrub shoe, then wipe clean with a towel. So sounds like the thing that you're gonna need is your cleaner. You're gonna need the brush. You may need, like, I'm probably gonna do like a little bowl of water or something like that, maybe some warm water, and a towel to wipe it off. So let me get the rest of those products together, and we'll get busy. We'll see how it works. And just like that, we back once again. We got our Miracle, Pink Miracle. We have our brush. I have a microfiber towel. Normally I use on my car. And in this, because I'm only doing this for the video, kind of quick review, I use the little Garrison popcorn container. But trust me, it's water in there. Side note, if you haven't tried Garrison, you should try that out. Chicago popcorn. You can find them in airports. You can find them in stores, different places. Baby. Try that out. Alright, so put my brush in the water so it can kind of soak, get a little wet. Got a couple pair of shoes, like my newest pair of shoes right here. I love these, but these aren't super dirty till maybe there's a little dirt around this white area right here, and I'm going to put here. Same thing with these right here. But okay, yeah, you can kind of see that dirt there. We're gonna try that, and then just to check, you probably don't just fine. We'll just kind of hit that little heel where you see the little dirt, just to see what it do, and see how that works out. So all these surfaces, well, for the most part, are white. I guess a little bit of that gray portion. We'll try that out, but we'll check it out real quick. See how it works out. Okay, so back. We got our brush. It's kind of leaking a little bit of water here, so we'll get it down. I throw some of this on. I'm not going to do a great deal because I'm only doing a small area on the shoe. Where's my shoe at? Alright, so we're going to start with this one, right? So, just going to see if I can bring it up so you guys can see. Nice little rub. Now, on the videos that I watch with, I'll just call him Mr. Brooks. It's more official. He had it in a spray bottle. He sprayed it on. He did have the brush though, and he said you got to go back and forth like a Leah video, or he said go back and forth like an argument. So we did that. All right, trying to hit the heel part that I want to hit, and then I'm gonna come back with the towel. Let's just see what we got. I can't lie, man. This is pretty good. Like I only did that toe part. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to focus in very well, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the results. So let's move on. We'll go to the patent leathers, right? And we already saw the dirt was right there, right? I don't even think I got to put any more of the pink miracle on there because it's still soapy. So I'll just kind of wipe that up a little bit. Maybe even get into some of this blue part here. And for the first one, I mean, it wasn't like it was crazy dirty, but I didn't have to do a lot of hard brushing, kind of light on it. Wipe it down like that. Come back through with the towel. Yeah. I mean, I imagine patent leather, like I'm new to the shoe game, right? So I imagine patent leather is pretty easy to clean, right? But that came out, and that looks actually amazing. I'm gonna hit this little leather part that I just saw up here. Because we'll try it out on that's a different kind of surface. It's leather. Light brushing on it. Wipe it down, and yeah, I like this. This works out. This works out well. All right, something that's gonna be probably a little bit easier to tell is this shoe, because this shoe is pretty dirty for it to be an all white shoe. Like you can see the dirt here, but it's pretty much all up along here. So I'm just gonna try to hit this whole area right here. Let's just see what kind of result we get from that. And again, I haven't added any more soap to it yet. And it's still kind of running good. This one's a little bit dirtier, so I figure I'll probably put a little bit more elbow grease into it. Alright, did that. Wipe it down a little bit. Yeah. So, I mean, this one, like I said, this was a dirtier situation and it was white, but as you can see, like if I actually probably put some more water on my brush and maybe a little bit more solution, it would got even more clean. But if you can do it before and after, you see that this black part was a little bit more up here dirty. I still see a little bit right here, but it's not like that mountain that was here. This part is clean as well. So overall, man, so far so good. I like it. Matter of fact, let's try one more thing, one more spot. Because that spot, you see the dirt right here, right? Let's see if I put my finger right there, right? Boom. We're gonna try that one. We'll do that on the way out. A little bit more water. And it's not on the camera, but I'm adding a little bit more of the cleaner. And what was that spot, right? That's our spot. Boom. And I don't work for this company. I'm not getting paid for this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You know what? All right. That's it. So I'm definitely going to use this, and I'm probably going to buy some more. Another thing I like, after I show you the results of this, wipe that down. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. This side of the shoe looks new now. That spot ain't there. Not only is the spot not there, but that sole to me looks pretty clean. Like if I go this way, you see that brown right there? Look at that. This is because I didn't clean back there. I cleaned up here. Look at that. That's nice. So package came. Didn't take long, maybe a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks to get to me. They also came with these little small, quick cleaners. So if you just on the go and you don't have time to do all that, excuse me, oh my goodness. There's a small little rag in here that already has solution on there. It's already wet, you can tell that. And you just wipe it down and go. So 2 of those. The cleaner, I don't unfortunately remember how much I paid for it, but it wasn't very expensive. I can probably look that up and try to throw the number up there. But overall, man, happy with the product. What I do? Happy with the product. The original shoe cleaner. I didn't know they were original. But Pink Miracle, man, they get what grade you want to do? 10 out of 10, 100%. I don't know what the grading curve or whatever it's supposed to be, but excellent product. And I like it. You remember back in the day, you used to go to Foot Locker. They'd have the spray thing, came in a can, you spray that, and they had the top on it. Put the top down, and you're supposed to. Yeah, this works way better than that. If they still make that, they should stop and just put these in the store. That's all I got, man. Y'all be safe, man. Thanks for watching another video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out, man.
Home run, bad bye. We wanna win, we ain't trying to lose. You must humble yourself, you need